What if I told you we've entered a new era of computing where a single chip can solve problems faster than the combined efforts of every supercomputer on Earth? Google's quantum Willow chip has achieved the impossible, and its implications could reshape our future. Stay with us to discover how Willow is rewriting the rules of technology. You're watching Spectre Review's YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel right now and I will introduce to this beast. Meet Willow, Google's latest superconducting quantum chip, the crown jewel of its quantum computing breakthroughs. Built to tackle unsolvable problems, it represents decades of research, blending cutting-edge innovation with nature-inspired design. Willow isn't just a chip, it's a leap toward unlocking mysteries of science, energy, and technology. In today's video, we'll explore why Willow is considered a monumental achievement, how it challenges our understanding of computation, and the game-changing future it promises. Let's get started. Google has been on a journey starting with its first chip, Foxtail in 2017, to its revolutionary Sycamore chip in 2019, but Willow outshines them all. With 105 highly connected qubits and a groundbreaking 5-fold increase in coherence time, now 100 microseconds, it's a feat of engineering brilliance. Imagine solving in 5 minutes what would take the fastest supercomputer over 10 to the power of 25 years in age, far beyond the universe itself. Willow makes this possible by smashing through the quantum error correction barrier, a milestone in quantum computing. Even Elon Musk is captivated. Willow's ability to enable a quantum cluster in space aligns perfectly with Musk's vision of interplanetary civilization. His nod of approval underscores Willow's immense potential, not just on Earth, but for humanity's cosmic ambitions. Why does Willow matter? It's not just about faster calculations, it's about saving lives through accelerated drug discovery, creating sustainable energy systems, and developing next-gen AI models that make smarter, faster decisions. And here's the twist: unlike conventional supercomputers, Willow becomes more accurate as it scales up thanks to its advanced quantum error correction. This means the more we grow its complexity, the sharper and more reliable it gets. Willow is more than just a technological breakthrough, it's a beacon for humanity's progress. As we continue pushing the boundaries of computation, one thing is clear: quantum technology is not the future, it's the present. So what's next for Willow and quantum computing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awe-inspiring tech insights. If you're intrigued by quantum computing's real-world applications, check out our next video, Ways Quantum Tech Will Change Your Life. Don't miss it.